Mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. Now mount a chair at one end of the screen, and then you can go towards the other end of the screen. I'm using a broom as my gun, so you can use anything. So you just cock the gun and then you shoot. Just do that with your imagination. Imagine there's a bottle on the chair, understand, and also imagine a bottle falling from up. Then you shoot, then you can now walk out of the screen. Then save this video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So this is the video. So now we want to record how we want the video to start. So at this point, since I recorded myself, I will tap on the layer, tap on split, then delete the beginning of the video, because this is how I want the video to start. I believe you get my point. So go to the ending part of it, and I want to show you how I want my video to end. So we'll just tap on the video layer, tap on split, then delete the ending part of it, because this is how I want the video to end. So you can decide to allow your own end anyhow. So now let's get back to the beginning. So we have to place the bottle here, so we click on overlay, we tap on overlay, click add overlay. Now bring the green screen bottle, you bring the bottle right here, understand. Now go to remove BG, tap on it, tap on chroma key. Now move the circle to where it show green, then you increase the intensity to leave it at 30. Let it be at 30. This man, bring leave it at 30. Then you can now click on OK. Let's go back. So you see the bottle is very big, so you can now reduce the size and then place it on top of that chair. Reduce the size of the bottle. You get my point. So just let's see the magic. Guys, please like and share this video so YouTube will recommend it to many other people. You get my point. You know, we need to grow, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when we drop another amazing video tutorials like this. You get my point. So at this point, you've reduced the size, and this is where the bottle will be shot, where the bottle will be broken. So we need to do the adjustment between where the shooter is shooting, when the shooter is shooting, and when the bottle is breaking. So you need to do a little adjustment right there. And if you want to learn how to be getting any green screen effect of your choice without paying, you get my point, you chat me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal, so I will teach you. You get my point. Also, if you want me to mentor you, you also chat me on WhatsApp. I'll teach you how to edit videos from scratch. So guys, as you can see, we need to duplicate this particular effect. So you go tap on the layer, go and look for duplicate. See duplicate here, you duplicate it, so it will be like kind of two. So we want to just shift it from this other one, so you can, when this bottle is broken, it will remain like that till the end of the video. So you tap on it, go and look for freeze. So you click on freeze. Why you are doing this is so that the bottle will remain broken, just like what you're seeing now, till the end of the video. You get my point. You will just drag this to the end of the video. So you tap on this other layer, then bring it down, understand, so that you will be able to bring this one to the end of the video. Just make it align at the end of the video. So you still maintain, you still have the broken bottle, it still be there to the end of the video. So now we have a second bottle, so you have to drag this, take this bottle up, understand, because this is the one that will be falling down slowly. So you take it up. Now you add keyframe at the beginning of the video layer. The bottle layer is what I'm talking about, this other one here, the third layer. So you add keyframe there, then you will have to move the video a bit towards when the bottle will be broken, understand. So let's just move the video a bit, then you add another keyframe After adding another keyframe, then you bring the bottle down slowly. So I noticed that the bottle is already broken, so I will undo the keyframe, then bring it backward a little. Then I'll add keyframe somewhere here, understand? Then still bring the bottle down so that it will set with when the shooter is shooting. So it's a little adjustment you need to do here. So you see that keyframe is already added here. So now you move the video a bit, then you drag the bottle down. Understand? Once you drag the bottle down, another keyframe will be added automatically. So that is where you will have this. After shooting, the bottle will fall on the floor, just like what you see on your screen. So that is just it, guys. So now you have to also extend the broken part to the end of the video. So you tap on the layer, go and look for freeze also. So now you tap on the part to just freeze, drag it to the end of the video, so you will still have the broken bottle remain till the end of the video, just like what you see on screen. You get my point? So guys, that is just it. You shoot so you can see something like that. So guys, that's all you need to know about this particular video tutorial. You get my point? Because I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I say I no need to add about the bullet, how to add bullet, because it's just to bring the bullet effect. Then you remove background and you are good to go. A little setting and you are good to go. So that is just it, guys. So I don't want to waste your time. So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.